go to some other teacher also. So what happens? We always think something that what I will talk to principal ma'am, what I will talk to chairman sir, what I will talk to my students. So what happens? We are always thinking in our own mother tongue, or we are thinking in Hindi. So how you can improve English? English is not something that you can't speak. Start thinking in English. When I take the classes of my students, I always tell them, कि बच्चे, now you must be thinking that this much time has happened, how much time ma'am has taken, we are feeling मुझे भूख लगी है. Now in Hindi, what we think? मुझे भूख लगी है. क्लास खत्म होते ही मैं बाहर जाके क्या खाऊंगा? बंद छोले खाऊंगा, या कोई आइसक्रीम खाऊंगा, या गोलगप्पे खाऊंगा. Start thinking the same thing in English. यार, I am feeling hungry. When I leave the class, I'll just go outside and eat bun chane or whatever you want, right? So, how comfortably I have spoken both the sentences. Did I take any tension in speaking in English? No. So, when you start thinking in English, so you automatically start speaking in English. Mama, मेरे को भूख लगी है. Mama, I'm feeling hungry. Mama, I'm tired. Mama, please lay my bag. So how comfortably we are able to speak. So first is always think in English. You all know that when we are in a comfort zone, we are always very happy.
Yes.
So to learn something different, to do something different, to be successful, we need to come out of that comfort zone. If we come out of that comfort zone, then we can do anything. So first is think in English. Then second is make it a habit. Read English newspaper. Note down all these things because you need to give it to your students also when they will come in the next session. Read English newspaper. If you don't have newspaper, no excuse should be there, we don't have newspaper. Then take any book, read a paragraph, but read it loudly. Now what is this? What does this mean? Read it loudly. When you take something, you are reading like this. We have read this. We don't know that how we are reading, how we are pronouncing the words. If the same thing I read in this way, he sailed round the world between 1519 and 1521. Now another way of reading this, he sailed around the world between 1519. So you always come to know that your voice, your sound is coming to your ears. You come to know that yes, I am not speaking in a proper way. So how to pronounce this word? I must discuss with my friends, with my teacher, if as a student with my teacher or something. So you